Good morning! Welcome to day 6 of Morning Yoga Challenge. We will do the whole practice standing today. Position your feet around hip distance apart. Stand up nice and tall. Release your shoulders down away from the ears. Lower your chin down to your chest and then circle it from one shoulder to another, slowly stretching the back and the sides of the neck. Bring your head back to center and move it side to side as if you are saying no. Then up and down a few times as if you are saying yes. Bring your head back to center, place your fingertips on top of your shoulders and roll your elbows forward, up and back, making a few big circles. Change direction. Straighten your arms out to the sides, make fists and roll your wrists out. In one direction and then another. Interlace fingers in front of you, palms facing away. Take your feet out a little wider. Lift your arms up to the sky and then circle your upper body to the left, down, to the right and up, making big circles from the hips. Keep pressing your palms away from you the whole time, keeping the spine nice and long. Change the direction of your circles, move to the other side a few times. Come back to standing, release your hands to your hips, feet closer again, and start making circles with your hips. Moving in one direction first, and then a few times in another direction. Then lift your right leg up, bend the knee and circle your hip out. Same on the other side, circle your left hip out, knee stays bent. Lift your right leg again and circle your ankle out in one direction and another. And same on left side, a few circles in one direction and then another direction. Now take your feet out wide. Turn your right foot out so the toes point to the short edge of the mat. Bend your right knee above the ankle. Keep your left hand on left leg. Reach your right arm up and back for reverse warrior pose. Keep reaching up and back through your right arm, creating stretch on your right side of the torso. Take one more inhale. Exhale, release your right forearm to your right thigh and bring your left arm up and over your head for side angle stretch. Keep pressing down through the outside of your left foot and reach up through your left hand. One more inhale here and exhale. Come up to standing, switch to the other side, left foot facing forward to the short edge of the mat, right foot roughly parallel to the back of the mat. Reach your left arm up and back, front knee stays bent above the ankle. One more inhale. Exhale, side angle, forearm to the thigh. Right arm reaches above the head. One more big breath inside the angle. And come up to standing. Turn your feet in, parallel to each other. Hands on the hips. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, fall down from the hips. Bring your palms or fingertips to the mat. Shift weight a bit more into the balls of your feet. Find the stretch on the back of the legs and maybe also on the inner thighs and groin. Slowly come up to standing. Turn your toes out, heels in. Bend the knees above the ankles for goddess twist. Hands on the inner thighs. Drop your left shoulder forward and down, twisting to the right. Gently press your knees out with your hands to increase the stretch on the inner thighs and groin. Then twist to the other side, the right shoulder is down. Come back to center, straighten your legs, position your feet parallel. Hands on the hips or on your lower back. With inhale, lift your chest, gently press your hips forward. Exhale, fall down. Bring your hands to the mat and walk them over to your right leg, closer to your right foot to increase the stretch on one side. Walk your hands to your left foot, stay there for a few breaths. Bring your hands back to center. Take one more big inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Slowly make your way up to standing. Bring your feet closer. And then for one more breath together. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, palms together to your heart. I hope you enjoyed your morning practice today, a little different this time. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. Wish you a great day and see you tomorrow for day 7. Bye!